Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. So I was here at define number ranges and groupings. Okay.
Mm, okay.
I'm going to the define groupings as assign number range. So this is 4-digit grouping you can define any. Okay. We'll create a new entry. AL01. It should not be there. BP. AL. Okay, it is not coming to complete. Okay, that's okay. Okay, and the number range we assigned it. You can assign it here. Okay, and just save it. Clear? You need to assign the Z2 number range. Number range we created for
Mm,
the business partner, not the vendor
yeah,
master.
it's clear.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you just make sure of that. Now this is done. This is very simple one. Okay. Now, since we have done this as an internal number range, okay, okay, we need to make this number range as a external in Z1. Okay, that is a prerequisite. Now I will go to back. I'll go back here. Not here. Z1. Okay, this one I will mark it as a external. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Now done. I will go back on the cross application. Okay. Now, this partner type. There are whatever all the business partner configuration is here. Okay. Address, form of address, business partner role. What are the roles? Define BP role. If you see here. So this is standard. Okay. 000. This is standard BP business partner role created for the business partner only. Okay. For customer, it is a CU. Where is that? It's not there. I think it's under another category. Hmm. This one. Customer role, customer finance and customer sales org role. Okay. FLCU00, FLCU01. FLVN00, FLVN01. These are our vendor master role. Okay. This is very important. You can
Okay.
note this down. Even they ask
Mm-hmm.
in the interview as well. Okay. Apart from that,
Mm-hmm.
see, apart from that, see what are the other roles we can create as a business partner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Earlier means in ECC this functionality was not there. We had to create separate vendors or customers or that whatever it is. Okay. Just wanted to show that. Okay. This is done. Now coming to the synchronization. That master data synchronization. Customer vendor synchronization. business partner settings for vendor integration. This is also business partner configuration is also called as CVI integration.
Okay. Okay.
Set business categorization to the vendor and under the assigned keys. Define number range. Define number assignment for direction BP to the vendor. Okay. Here we do that synchronization actual. What was they here? This is a role only. This company code role vendor based. Whether it is mandatory or optional for vendor. That is defined from here. Okay. What is it FLVM 0001? I will show you during the business partner creation. Yeah, I'll go here, assign keys. I will go to the new entries now. Okay. What is this? Sorry, account group we have AL01, right? And this is for vendor group. What was that? Oh, Z. What are the domestic vendor group we created? Mm,
Yeah, domestic L01 only.
Okay, domestic we created AL01
Hmm.
and a business partner also the same one. Okay.
Hmm.
Domestic vendor all day. Okay. This is
Hmm.
and this is also the same one we created, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then whether you want to keep as a same number or flexible number, I want to keep it as the same number. Okay. So it has not
Okay.
given any error
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
because I have kept completed all the prerequisites, keeping number and same, vendor number as
Hmm. Hmm.
external. All those are the prerequisites.
Hmm.
If
Hmm.
you don't
If
complete those
the
prerequisites, system will
if,
give you error here.
if the that vendor number and business partner number is very different, that time synchronization will not happen,
Will not
or
happen
it
and
will be happen.
system, no, it will not happen. System will give
Hmm.
you an error if you
Hmm.
come to synchronization.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, since I completed all the prerequisites, that's why it is not giving me
Hmm.
any
This is the
error.
synchronization we are doing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, done. Okay. This is the last step in the business partner configuration. Okay, this one. Okay, in the sequence you need to do just like what I have done. Okay. Now I will show you creating one vendor, how this number range flows. Okay, BP is the T code for this. This is a business partner creation screen. Okay. We can create as a person, organization, or a group of the organizations. Depends. Okay. So I'll go create on this organization. Now, here I need to create a grouping. Which grouping? Business partner grouping. AL01. See this one. Okay. Accordingly, see name one is mandatory now. If you see this. Okay. Master test. Okay. All these are the optional now. Since it is not even what it called decided whether this will create as a vendor customer. Okay. So customer address is all optional here. I mean, sorry, vendor address is all optional here. Okay. But you can, if you want, you can maintain or you can skip it. Okay. I have saved it. So if you see here, business partners created with 73300. Clear? Now, role. Role is 000 for general business partner general data. Okay. Now will go to the change mode. Now I will select it as a FL VN00 or 001. Either of. Okay. This is a vendor master company code role, vendor master purchase org role. Okay, I will select company code role first. Name 2 is also mandatory. Scroll. Okay. Now if you see here, country is mandatory. Now all other details are mandatory. Language English. Okay. If you want to add as an email address, where I mentioned, sorry, and email only I did. Okay. Address dependent, if you have any other, you can maintain it there. Address validity also you can maintain here till where this address is valid. Okay. And then address overview. Okay. It will flow under this address. Identification, if you want to maintain external BP number, if you have that, you can maintain. Tax number. Tax number is IN3 is for if you are creating for India. IN3 is the tax category to enter the GST number. Okay. GST item. GST number is just like the state code plus PAN number. 4
Yeah.
1 2 3 5, and then B. This is a format of the PAN, 10 digit, and 10 and it to 12. Then last out
Okay.
of last three, one is number of GST registrations.
Mm-hmm.
0 1 2. Okay, so this is a 15-digit tax number format. I think I have added somewhere in this syllabus, I believe. This is okay. State code plus PAN number plus number of registrations. 1. And this is again a serial number. Okay. If it is a trade compliance vendor, whether it is dealing with nuclear sector or military use weapons, you can activate check boxes. Save it. No, save. Okay. We also need to have a lot of master data to be entered. If you have business partner types to be defined, you can enter here. Under the payment transactions, you can add as a business account numbers. Sorry, bank account numbers. Okay. Country, not sure for India it is there. Okay. Bank key. Let's see how many bank keys are created. Yes, there are a lot of bank keys are created. Okay. M0 is there one. And now bank account number you need to provide here. Okay. And now bank account alliance name is there. Account holder name. Okay. And then validity, all those things. I mean, it will populate. Again, this is part of the finance or vendor master, business vendor master data team. Okay. We don't have to deal with all these things. We just show them once how to maintain all these things. And FI consultant will guide them how to enter this bank account details to the business vendor master data team. Okay. Clear? Hello?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Then under the status, whether that is locked or vendor is archived. Okay, that information is there. Uh, legal data. Okay. Other than that, vendor general data, it is having this account group and vendor number to be created with this number. Okay. Customer to be linked with this will be shown here. Okay. Deletion data is here. Okay. If you are creating central delete or specific to this organization, payment block option is here. Okay. Tax data, not this country specific data to no. Okay. This is not populating some information because we have not extended it to the company code. Okay, let's go to the company code first. Okay. So what was our company code?
1005.
1000 final the private limit. Okay. This is the one.
Mm,
Can enter. Okay. Now if you see here supplier
mm,
number is also replicating the same.
mm,
We have not extended it to the customer yet. Okay. So
okay.
I kept reconciliation account as mandatory if you
Is
remember.
mandatory.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that's why it is coming here. So this
Mm-hmm.
is where creating as a domestic. Okay.
Okay.
Selecting domestic one. No, all others are optional fields. Okay, this one is mandatory one.
Mm-hmm.
Previous account number means, so this is just a reference data. The previous account number means, so if you have migrated non SAP to SAP data, okay, just like if you are implementing first time in that organization
Mm-hmm.
and they were having
Mm,
this legacy account number, okay, and you want
okay.
to link that it to the this new supplier in the S4, okay, so that you can enter here. Okay, payment terms is added here. This is for finance or non PO invoices generally. Double check invoices here, so that system will not allow you to post the double invoice. Payment method, whether you are going to do the bank transfer, check, cash, NEFT, or a UPI payment, all these options are there. Then house bank. This is house bank. There is no house bank defined here, but this house bank is should up in your company from where this payment should go. Are there any payment block you want to keep for this vendor? You can add from here. Okay. So if there is a account with customer also for this vendor and you want to clear like debit, credit, all those entries, so you need to select this checkbox. The status. This is a posting block. Any documents to be posted under this company code for this vendor. Okay. That information is there for selected company code only or for all company codes or deletion company code deletion or company code central deletion. Okay. Withholding tax is added here. Withholding tax is nothing but that vendors, what it call it, this income proof certificate number, all those they are having. And if they are having any exemption certificate number, percentage of the exemption
Mm-hmm.
from
Yeah, okay.
that validity is there. Okay.
Okay.
From and to there is one more. From to exemption reason. Okay, that information to be entered from here. Okay. Now I will go back to the general data. Okay, so it is now showing GST vendor class details. Okay, earlier that this field was not enabled, and under the country specific field, if you see here, PAN number is entered here. 4 1 2 3
Hmm.
5 B. ठीक है.
Okay.
And reference pan कधी since when pan is there is a date on that pan. Okay, that is
Hmm.
entered here.
Okay.
Okay, is finance all this is a finance data. Okay, now you can click on save. Okay, so now it is has been saved. Vendor number is there. This for this vendor. Same number is replicating here. Okay, clear? है? Now this is the one role we have extended. Now the important is for the purchase organization. FLVN01. Just note it down somewhere. Okay, it's very important.
Okay. Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, if you see here under the role FLVN01, under the vendor general
Hmm.
data, additional purchasing data is there. Okay, so plant relevant and that plant code is added here. So which I was mentioning some time back. So this is a
Hmm.
linkage for the vendor to the plant from here.
Okay.
Yeah, your plant will also listed here. I mean, all the plants are listed here. What was
Hmm.
that code? Plant code. What was the plant code?
Let's check 105 only or 102. Two.
Oh, who has deleted?
Uh,
005 only.
uh,
I are need to check that now. Maybe someone deleted. Yeah, it is there, not deleted. Sorry. Hmm. Not replicating. All the plant. Okay. So this is
okay.
how it is linked. As of
Mm-hmm.
now, I am not linking because since this is not a plant vendor. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. I will go to the purchasing. I'll enter our purchase organization. Material purchase. Correct. 2001. Now, if you see here, I kept
Mm.
order currency payment terms are as mandatory.
Mandatory, yes.
INR currency for India, I know. That's why I'm selecting. If you want to keep country specific, like for China or US, for US dollar, you can keep. Okay. That vendor address should be from that country. Okay. Payment terms, you can, again, payment terms configuration comes with FI. Okay. They will create all the payment what are applicable and they can provide it to you. You can just select it from here. And goods receipt invoice, GR-based invoice verification, I also kept it mandatory. And entry is required in field. That's why it is saying. Okay.
Okay.
So that the end user or business user shouldn't miss all these mandatory fields. Okay. Apart from that, income terms are to be entered from here. All the other information is here only, just like the ECC we used to enter. Okay. Any salesperson from the vendor side that you can maintain here if you have. Okay. GR base is mandatory if this supplier allows free goods. Okay. Send. You can select this checkbox. Service based invoice verification. If you have service this vendor for services, you can select this. Because since we have separate service purchase organization, so while extending this vendor to the service purchase organization, you can select this checkbox. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Then where is schema group? Acknowledgement record is there. Okay, so this is again
Hmm.
optional
Hmm.
field. This is default value if you want to keep, but in general these are not
Hmm.
used. So deletion flag for this purchase organization. If you want, you can select
Hmm.
schema group. This is important. So during the pricing procedure, I will show you how it comes
Hmm.
in picture in pricing procedure.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
Okay, and then automatic PO, if you have, you can select it from here. Purchasing
Hmm.
block, if we want to purchase order level
If you want
specific
to.
block,
Hmm.
that is
Hmm.
to be maintained here. Confirmation control key is also there if you want to keep specific to the supplier.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, like inbound delivery mandatory or acknowledgement
Hmm.
with acknowledgement. Okay, a return
Hmm.
supplier. Okay, so when we create a return supplier, customer number is mandatory. So customer number is to send the material return. Okay, and then we can also create delivery and all those things. Even as soon as I
Hmm.
create select on this, system will ask me to uh, link the customer. So since we have not created customer, current customer is selected already. So or if you
Hmm.
want to map different customer also, that we can do. Oh no, that option is not there. That was in ECC.
Hmm.
In S4 we need to define that here only. So same business partner to be created as a customer. So that is called as a
Yes.
CVI integration, customer vendor integration.
Hmm.
Okay. If I select on continue, system will take you me to the customer creation. Okay. So as of now it is showing as 200, no customer exists. So cannot mark as a return
Hmm.
supplier. Why? Because I have not even this saved this. I have not saved this yet. I have just entered the
Hmm.
information. Let's
Hmm.
save this first. Fail partner. Okay. Partner function is pending. So actually this it populates all this information automatically. Okay. I have not
Hmm.
checked that partner determination schema. Okay. That procedure was
Hmm.
there. I just assigned in the account group, but I didn't check that procedure. Okay. That's why
Hmm.
it is showing error now. There is some config
Okay.
missing in partner schema. Okay.
Hmm.
And that partner functions this I was talking about under the partner schema.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So I think it will not allow me to save now. Let me try adding this. Mhm, mhm, mhm. OA is not allowed. I think I take from any other suppliers.
What is that error?
Mhm, it's not allowed. This is from partner schema.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Actually, if I
OM
take
means
it,
outline agreement.
no, ordering address, na.
Hmm. Ordering, okay, ordering address. Okay.
Hmm. Vendor is a
Mm-hmm.
supplier or vendor. PI is a invoicing party. GS is a goods supplier. But actually, if I take it now, it will take time. Okay, apart from this error, okay, just ignore it. I will anyway. I was going to show you only in the next session. Do you
Mm-hmm.
have any questions on this part on vendor
No, not it.
or business partner purchasing? How to extend it?
No,
Okay,
not it. Once again, I will go to the same recordings. I will do the same practice, and if I know, if I observe anything, then I will let you know.
okay, great. Okay. Generally, actually, I took 2 hours. One is for this vendor creation process, and then one is for the configuration.
Mm-hmm.
That maybe I try to accommodate to. Maybe we can conduct one more session on this. Okay. But
Sure.
what I was saying is, so the number range. Okay. So whatever, whichever we defined, it has created. Okay, as per our expectations. So our unit testing is whatever we did is success. That's how unit
हम्म,
testing is done. Once we do the
हम्म,
configuration, parallelly we do the testing. Okay.
okay, हम्म,
It will not save for this one. I will show
हम्म,
you in the tomorrow this
हम्म,
partner schema procedure, and
हम्म,
then we'll create this.
okay,
I mean, it's not create. We just need to extend this vendor to this purchase organization. So only purchase order
okay,
level details will not be saved. You can create this vendor
हम्म,
at a company code level anytime. Okay.
okay,
This is a missing configuration. I need to check now what it's missing, and then I mean anyway we will define all the configuration for this account group.
okay,
ठीक है क्लियर
इसके
ओके ठीक है चलेगा चल
पेपरला विचारलंच करत होतो मित्राला
हाँ पेपरला विचारलं ऍक्च्युली